Hello and welcome to the new series of FortiGate Firewall. So this is a new series. I'm going to start from very basic and then I'm going to go towards the advanced. So today is the first lecture number 1, introduction to the Fortinet and FortiGate. So first of all, hello and welcome. And this lecture we are going to start from very basic of Fortinet and FortiGate Firewall. This is designed for beginners, so if you don't know about the cybersecurity, computer networking, each and everything, so I can explain each and everything very easily, so don't worry about it. So even if you have a zero experience with Fortinet, so don't worry, I got you covered. So first and the most important thing is, what is Fortinet? So let's begin the company behind FortiGate. So the company behind the FortiGate is Fortinet. Like we have CCNA and we have a router, Cisco router. So these CCNA is prepared by Cisco. Cisco is a company and CCNA is a course where we discuss basic of computer networking, each and everything. So Fortinet is a well-known cybersecurity company that was founded in the year 2000. Okay, so in 2000 this company just created and they start cybersecurity devices like FortiGate and some other devices. It's headquartered in California, USA. They are famous for providing security solutions for both small businesses and large enterprises. So they provide these types of solutions. So their main goal is simple: protect networks, users and data from cyber threats. So now in this digital era there is a lot of cyber threats, there is a lot of cyber attacks. So if you want to secure yourself, secure your network, so there will be a firewall, a device between trusted and untrusted network. So we will going to learn that what is trusted and what is untrusted network, and each and everything will be going to include, we will going to include lab, theoretical. I am going to provide each and everything to you. So their main goal is simple: protect network, users, data from cyber threats. Whether you are using the internet at home, in an office, or even in a large data center, so we can use Fortinet firewall. So what is FortiGate? So now let's talk about the FortiGate. As I just mentioned that like we always, surely if you are a network engineer, if you want to learn the FortiGate firewall, so you probably know about the CCNA as I mentioned, or even you can just discuss about the Azure. Azure is the course of Microsoft. So the company is Microsoft, the core is Azure. So FortiGate is a device. This is hardware device and it is managed by Fortinet. Fortinet is a organization. So which is Fortinet most popular product? You can think of FortiGate as a security guard for your network. It watches everything in and out and make sure only safe traffic is allowed. So this is the you can say that this is the Fortinet firewall device you can install in your organization, and then you can secure your network. So FortiGate is a next generation firewall. We were going to learn that what is next generation firewall, what is firewall, each and everything. Don't worry, I am going to explain each and everything in very detail, so don't worry about it. That means it doesn't just block or allow traffic based on IP addresses or ports. It also understand applications. It can filter web content, scan for viruses, stop hackers, and even control bandwidth. So we can do all these stuff with Fortinet firewall. So FortiGate devices, hardware and virtual. So Fortinet devices can be hardware and virtual. There are two types of FortiGate firewalls: hardware appliances. These are physical boxes that you plug into your network. Virtual machine, these run on VMware, Hyper-V, or in the cloud like AWS or Azure. In this lecture In this course we will mostly focus on the virtual version, so it will be completely like for example, if you're working in an organization, there is Fortinet, Firewall, FortiGate. So if you are going to access interface each and everything, so it will be same the one we will going to use in VMware, so which we can run and GNS3 or VMware for practices. So this is the FortiGate firewall, and we can install it on GNS3 and VMware workstation. So you if you want to use it through VMware workstation, so you can use it. If you want to use with the help of GNS3 or VMware, it's up to you. So what is FortiGate used for? Why we use FortiGate? So FortiGate firewall are used all over the world in many places: small offices, schools, hospitals, government networks, and big companies and banks. They are using Fortinet firewall. So learning FortiGate can really open doors for your career and networking or cyber security. So key feature of Fortinet or FortiGate firewall. So beginner view. So let's look at some of the cool thing that FortiGate can do. So firewall control who can access and what can access. Okay, so like here this is the internet, and this is we installed the FortiGate firewall. This area we called untrusted area, and this area we called it trusted area, and in between there is a device which we called it for firewall. So and then with the help of firewall we can we can block, we can control who can access and who cannot. And second thing, we can create VPN. We will going to learn that what is VPN, but let me just give you an simple example. For example, if here is your network, there is a computer and it is connected with the internet. This is for example one location. This is for example United Kingdom, and this person or PC, they want to access this United Kingdom network from America. So we will going to create a VPN and we can connect it very easily, and he or she will going to use the local network as a let's assume that he or she in the local office, but he will be remotely. So web filtering blocks bad websites, so we can block whatever website we want. Application control, this is the most important thing. So control which apps are allowed or blocked, like YouTube, Skype, etc. SD-WAN we will going to learn, so help manage internet connection from multiple ISPs. So don't worry if these terms are new, I'm going to explain each and everything step by step in the future lessons. So then what is FortiOS? Like we have operating system, and my laptop is Windows 11 operating system, and this like this Cisco have iOS, and let's check what is FortiGate firewall have. So FortiGate devices run a special operating system called FortiOS. So we called it FortiOS, like Microsoft OS we called it Windows, and like we called it FortiOS. This is where we configure everything through a web GUI, graphical user interface, or CLI. So we can configure command line interface, or we can just configure it graphical user interface. So in this course we will learn how to use both. So what next in this course? So in the next few lectures we will going to learn install FortiGate and VMware and GNS3, learn how to log in and explore the interfaces, create firewall policies, set up internet, VPN, etc. each and everything. There is a lot of lecture on YouTube, and you can find it on Udemy, and you can find some other sources, but this lecture will cover each and everything in very detail, because I know I feel a lot of problem when I'm searching. When I first learning the Fortinet firewall, there was problem of GNS3, problem of images, each and everything I'm going to provide it to you, and the notes that will be also I'm going to provide it to you. So quick summary, what we learn: Fortinet is a cybersecurity company. Okay, FortiGate is their main firewall product. This is a device. FortiGate protects networks using features like VPN, firewall, antivirus, and more. It used worldwide by businesses of all sizes. We will practice each and everything with using virtual lab, but it will be like actual devices with some limitation, like we will not going to have all the license of Fortinet firewall. So why to select Fortinet firewall, why you should learn? So firewall vendors and market share. So Fortinet 35%, Palo Alto 20%, Cisco 18%, and Checkpoint 10%. So we can just check these from this graph. So first is Fortinet firewall, Palo Alto, Cisco, Checkpoint, and then others. So why learn Fortinet firewall? So top market share, Fortinet leads with 35% UTM market share, trusted globally, used by 7,000 plus companies including Fortune 500, high job demand, valuable certification, all-in-one solution, strong career growth, great for freelancing. So thank you for watching the first lecture, and if you are serious about learning FortiGate, don't skip any lesson, watch till the end, and you will be confident working with Fortinet firewall. If you need one-on-one online class, just contact me. There is a number in this video, so you can contact me. I can arrange one-on-one class on Fortinet firewall. So thank you. See you next lecture.